Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right ingredients for perfect bacon-wrapped scallops. In this video, I will show how to make bacon-wrapped scallops. First, select large, fresh sea scallops, ideally around 1.5 inches across. Thin-cut bacon is essential for achieving that ideal crispiness without overcooking the delicate scallops. Remember to thoroughly pat your scallops dry. This step is crucial for a beautiful sear and prevents a soggy texture. Now let's get to wrapping. Take 1/2 slice of thin bacon and carefully wrap it around the side of each dried scallop. It's important that the bacon covers the side, not the top or bottom, to allow for proper searing. Secure the bacon firmly with a wooden toothpick, pushing it through both ends of the bacon and the scallop. This keeps everything snug during cooking. Cooking these delights is straightforward. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the wrapped scallops on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the bacon is beautifully crisp and golden brown. For an extra touch of browning, you can briefly broil them for 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully. Your delicious bacon-wrapped scallops are almost ready. Before serving, remember to carefully remove all the toothpicks. These are best enjoyed immediately, while the bacon is still crisp and the scallops are tender and warm. They make a fantastic appetizer on their own, or you can elevate them further with a fresh lemon wedge or a simple, complimentary dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.